on my phone. It's bothering me. Stop. Shoo! Hello YouTube friends and welcome to So Aldo. Today on So Aldo Style, I am going to show you how to look tall and slim if you are a petite size girl or woman. So if you are intrigued, be sure to stay tuned. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. If you love fashion, DIY, sewing, and shopping, be sure to subscribe. I post 4 videos every week. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Today, I am going to share with you my tips and tricks how to look taller if you are a petite size girl. So I am only 4'11" and I could use a little boost in the height department. So you guys really like my videos on the clothing that I don't wear as a petite. That's why I decided to do another one. But today I am going to show you how to look tall and slim if you are a petite size girl or petite size woman. So on the rack, I have all the clothing pieces that I am going to show you that are a good example of clothing items that's gonna make you look taller and slim. So let's start with this outfit that I'm wearing. First petite girl style secret number 1 is highlight your waistline. By doing so, you will show off the slimmest part of your body. Therefore, it will make you look slim, and if you choose the high-waisted anything, you will look taller and it will lengthen your legs as well. I absolutely love the color combination of this outfit. The skin tone skirt elongates my legs, and the pleats also give that same illusion just because it is vertical lines, so therefore it's going to give that illusion that I have longer legs. This outfit is very effortless and very simple. It's just basic outfits, all neutral. It's just very pleasing to the eyes and it is very fresh. If you notice, my blouse has a self-tie necktie. It also elongates my body, so anything vertical is going to create that illusion. That up and down line is going to give that illusion of more length. So anything that has vertical lines, it's going to lengthen your body. Therefore, it's going to make you look slim and tall. The next tip that I am going to show you is always wear pointed toes shoes. It doesn't matter if it's black or skin tone. High-heeled or flats, it's going to elongate your legs just because it is pointy as opposed to chop up when it's rounded or square toes. So that's that. For this outfit, I paired this white dress with a nude pair of pointy shoes. As you can see, it elongates my legs just because it is pointy, and plus wearing the crossbody bag actually, believe it or not, elongates the body as well just because of that long line. Petite girl style secret number 3 is wear tonal or monochrome. So wearing monochrome will make you look tall and slim just because the color is fluid, it's not broken up. By the way, the nude shoes goes really well with this outfit as well, but because we are talking about monochrome outfit, I am going to switch my shoes to a black pair of pointy stilettos. This outfit is very minimal, fashionable, and classy. You cannot go wrong with all black outfit. So monochrome is not limited to black outfit. Monochrome in all sorts of color. You can do blue, red, white. Anything that is like one solid color is going to make you look tall and slim. I put on a long golden necklace. Believe it or not, longer necklaces is also very elongating. Adding that simple minimalist necklace elevate this simple outfit to a whole new level. I love monochrome outfits. I think they are timeless. The next petite girl style secret is wearing a V-neck dresses or scoop neck dresses or tops. So basically, if you show more neck, it's going to elongate your body and it's going to make you look slim and tall. Believe it or not, choosing the right neckline for your face will actually give you that same illusion, going to make you look slim and tall. So if you haven't watched my video on how to figure out your face shape and the good neckline for your face shape, be sure to click the link up here. Also, choosing smaller print versus bigger print garments. So if you are a petite, be sure to always stay with smaller print. Bigger and bold prints is going to overwhelm a petite size frame, therefore it's going to make you look big and wide. You notice I switched my shoes from black pointed shoes to a nude ones, and they look great either way. Wearing clothes that is one size bigger than your normal size, believe it or not, tight clothes will make you look bigger than you really are. So this dress by Calvin Klein was actually a one size larger than my normal size. I love it so much. It's just very nice and comfortable. I love wearing loose fitting dresses, so I have like room to move around. Plus, if you wear a slightly oversized dress or garments, it actually makes you look like you are so skinny and the dress is just too big on you. So it gives that illusion that wearing oversized is somehow looks great on a petite size. Last but not the least, vertical lines as opposed to horizontal lines. So this is self-explanatory. Anything that has up and down lines will give you an illusion you look slim and tall. Love this classic shirt dress from Calvin Klein. It is so beautiful. So that's it, you guys. Those are all my tips and tricks on how to look slim and tall if you are a petite size girl. If you like this video, be sure to give this a thumbs up. Be in the know by subscribing to my channel. I post 4 videos every week. If you like fashion, sewing, DIY, and shopping, be sure to subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye!